Toda su ropa sucia. We're here in my show, Science Line Show, and also World of Cat. So don't forget not to forget our know a little bit about what's going on in this area here. Shannon, close up. You know, to your adult or female or male. What you're seeing here is one of our interacting and being very tactile.
You're done.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because
No.
we're all with
Mira.
Tiger.
Yeah.
Pooh.
Pooh.
Pooh. Ow. Ah.
Cómetelo, cómetelo.
Eat it up. Eat it.
Ah.
Okay, I'll eat it. Can I go?
Mira, se llenó la media ya.
Mm.
Yo por no haber tenido cámara para
Does it
sacarle
taste
fotos
better like
a
that?
Carlitos, mucha gente
I guess
me
it
dice,
does. It does.
Mmm. Tastes better?
¿tengo una foto? Tenía un año.
Open it. The light.
You want help? Look. Sophia, have it, Sophia. Look. Sophia. Sophia, open and close.
99.9 KEZ Bob Seger. Coming up on a quarter to one on a Sunday in a long Thanksgiving holiday weekend with me, Michael Lasso. Good afternoon.
Oh, mira, Sofi,
With us
mira.
in the mood for some more Christmas music.
Ay, mira todo lo que traía
Andy Williams.
de ropa ahí. Mira.
New song from Martine McBride.
Sí.
Radio Shack or Sprint PCS Select Retailer.
Put Lala in there. Lala. Mami, Lala y Pooh. Estoy loco. Mami, you want this? This? Okay. Abuelita, pónselo, ándale, abuelita. Ándale, abuelita, pónselo, pónselo.
I haven't made my smileys yet. Maybe when I get back.
Happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
Can you blow? Ooh, don't.
Again.
Blow.
Happy birthday.
It's so cute. Her nylon match her dress. Ooh, can you pet it? Wow, look at you.
There you go.
Ooh, good girl. Ooh, is that good? Is that good?
You want to get together?
Does the turtle have a name? Is that a character? I don't remember. They ran out of piglets, so they put a turtle.
There you go. Okay. The nail.
Oh.
Maybe one of these days in our country. And I'm waiting, more 3 weeks.
Oh, that's good.
I intend to drop some tips for me too along the way.
Oh, but I was very upset because they sent me to work.
You guys are tumbling to David. This is better than chasing hubcaps. Do that again.
Judy? Ah, good girl. Oh, you're getting so much better. Oh,
No. What?
no!
What?
No!
What?
Well, honey, how else could we get in a place like this?
Oh, my pleasure. And we have a lovely, lovely evening.
Oh, God, you see me five jackets for her.
She bought you this jacket?
Oh, we were in France and we were at a fancy restaurant and she wanted me to be wearing my uniform for her.
Uh-oh.
The driver got my nice jacket. What? Oh, gosh, you forgot a pocketbook. Hey, Samantha.
She's practically off.
I know people. We could have a lot of Bueno.
Haciendo frío.
What, baby?
Te quiero, mi bebé.
Take your mommy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say hello.
Ya me prendió mi luz del cuarto. No me la apagó. Ay. Hi, papi.
Hat. Yeah.
So.
Say dog.
So.
Dog.
Say hi, baby. It's snowing here in Phoenix. My goodness.
¿Qué que tú mandas? Ay, more, te va a hacer daño. Te pica la miel. ¿Cómo? No, me hace daño.
Come here, baby. Let me see it. Okay, keep opening your presents. Yeah, that one's yours too.
Yeah.
Say who got you all those presents. Santa. Who got you that one? I think that one's from Santa. Should I? She said it. No, that's not from Mom, Joanna.
You put over it, maybe.
¿Qué estás trayendo el niño Dios? A ver, ¿qué? ¿Qué? ¿Qué te trajo? ¿Película? ¿Y tú querías esa película? ¿Sí? ¡Ay, qué bonito! ¿Y ese otro regalo? A ver qué va a ser. A ver, vamos a ver. ¿Qué es eso?
Pantalones.
This was from Daddy and Mommy.
Fíjate, véalo, veo.
Oh, Timmy. That one's from Santa. Yeah?
It's yours, Steve. Brooke.
Which one you gonna open first?
A ver, destápese. A ver. ¿Qué será? Es que mi hija se portó bien, por eso le trae muchos regalos, ¿verdad, mija? ¿Te portaste bien, corazón? Sí. ¿No hiciste enojar a mami ni a papi? ¿No? Dios, mira nomás. Ay, ay, ay.
Ugly.
Ven nomás. Oh, mira.
Here, let me see. You open this one. What's this? You open this.
Mira. Ay, Dios, mira. Uy, no. No, a ti te quiere mucho el niño Jesús. No, tú eres una niña que te quiere mucho el niño Jesús. Ay, sí, el niño Jesús, mira. Ajá, el que está ahí, mira. Ese niñito te los trajo. Sí. Así como le ves de pequeñito. Todo lo que puedes, ¿verdad, hija? A ver. Oh, ¿y ese quién te lo trajo? ¿Santa Claus? ¿Desde dónde viene ese juguete, hija? ¿Desde dónde? Santa Claus te lo trajo. Sí. Él anduvo en tiendas comprándote. Está muy bonito, ¿verdad?
That one's to Mama. Ese es de tu abuelita, de parte de tu papi y mami.
Ay, gracias.
You have to open it. ¿Qué te trajo? ¿Más ropa? Óyeme, no. Esto es demasiado para ti. That's Daddy, Sophia. No, that's Daddy's. Let him open that one. Sophia. Sophia.
Hi, I'm Julie. I want to talk to you about believing in yourself, about your dreams, about how
Okay, I guess that's not of much use without this. Here, give it to Daddy. It's heavy. Keep opening your presents, Sophia.
They're not too expensive.
So that's from Sophia and Daddy.
Yeah, you got me there.
Mira, Sofi, lo que me trajo. Con tu papá y con tu mamá, mira. Sí, un pantalón. Sí.
¿Qué?
Oh, también me trajo una blusa. Y esta sí que me la changuearon, yo no la vi. Mira, mi blusa, mija.
I do, baby, I do. Open some more presents, Sophia. Let's see what else. What's that, Dad? What is it? Oh, some clothes, huh? Yeah. Oh, I see.
¿Este es para ti, mija?
Mhm.
Ábrelo. A ver, ¿le quieres a Sofi? ¿O le quieres este?
No, son míos.
Oh, son de tu
Sophia,
mami.
open the other one, honey.
Yo ya me entumí.
Vamos a ver qué te trajo.
Oh, you got all money.
I stole it from you.
¿Te gustó? ¿Eh?
You know what she said?
What?
So, did you like it?
¿No te gustó nada?
Sofía dice que ella sí.
Open, show mom.
Show me what's in there, Sophia. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. What is that? That's Winnie the Pooh. Hmm. What else? Yeah, look at that. Flowers. And look at that one. That one's Minnie Mouse. Ooh, they are so beautiful.
Mira cuánto. Madre, no. ¿Todo esto?
Mm.
No, a ti te trajo demasiado. No, niña.
Wow.
No,
So was this a Merry Christmas, Sophia? Yeah. Did you like your presents?
Oh, yeah.
No, this one's mine too.
Oh.
I wonder what it is. This was from your dad, I think. No, this was from Santa. Was this from you, Sophia?
Yeah. That's mine.
No, look, I got clothes.
Look,
Échame ese verdecito para acá porque...
Look, Sophia, look what I got. You're happy with your Christmas, huh? You just don't care about mommy's.
That's mine?
No, this is mine. Let's see what's in here. This is from your daddy.
Oh!
Oh. Oh my goodness. I got a suit.
Yeah!
I've been wanting one for a long, long time. Look at these. How do you know my size? Huh? Oh my goodness, look what Aunt Letitia sent you.
What else?
What else is in there?
Hello?
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that Santa put some candy in there. Is that chocolate? Are you going to share that with Daddy and Mommy?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I sell a button? I sell a button?
That one doesn't have a button. You just open it.
¿Qué es eso?
Let Daddy open it for you. After breakfast, okay? Model, go over there and model. Okay, come close. Turn around. Put your hat up. Here.
I did it! Nana, it's cold. It's cold.
On. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mom. What are you saying?
Walk that way. Say hi, Mama and Papa.
Hi, Mama and Papa.
If I may say so. No, Benjamin. Now say hi, Mama. Hi, Papa.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa.
Say hi.
Hey, Nana,